Are you tired of translating in your head before speaking English? Want to think in English effortlessly like a native? Stick around, because in this video, I'm going to share the ultimate daily exercises that will train your mind to think in English every single day. Welcome back to English Masters. I'm Pradeep, and today, we're diving into practical, effective daily exercises that will transform the way you think in English. Whether you're preparing for exams, job interviews, or just want to master the language, these exercises are simple but powerful. Let's get started. Exercise 1, the Daily Journal Challenge. Start your day with a 5-minute English journaling session. Write about what you did yesterday or what you plan to do today. Don't worry about making mistakes, the goal is to train your brain to express thoughts in English. Even just a few sentences every morning can make a huge difference over time. Exercise 2, think aloud technique. When you're alone, try to think out loud in English. Describe what you're doing as if narrating your actions. I am making breakfast now. I am adding milk to my tea. This practice helps you convert your everyday thinking from your native language to English and makes you feel more comfortable expressing yourself. Exercise 3, shadowing English conversations. Find short clips of native speakers talking in English. YouTube interviews, TV shows, or podcasts. Listen carefully and repeat immediately after the speaker, mimicking their pronunciation and intonation. This method, known as shadowing, is a powerful way to train your brain to think in English and improve fluency. Exercise 4, daily observation game. Challenge yourself by observing your surroundings and naming everything you see in English. For example, while waiting at a bus stop, think, there is a bus arriving, the driver is wearing a blue uniform, and people are queuing up. This simple exercise makes you more conscious of thinking in English throughout the day. I found an interesting technique online that many language learners recommend, the stop translating game. Set a timer for 10 minutes each day. During this period, challenge yourself not to translate anything into your native language. If you find yourself slipping, just reset and keep going. Over time, this trains your mind to bypass the translation step. Exercise 5, engage with English media. Consume English content every day. Read articles, watch English news, or browse through an English blog that interests you. The goal is not just passive reading or listening but trying to understand and summarize what you read or hear in English, mentally or aloud. Conclusion: thinking in English is a habit that builds up over time with consistent effort. Pick 2 or 3 of these exercises and incorporate them into your daily routine. Remember, fluency comes from practice and patience. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to English Masters, and let me know in the comments which exercise you'll start with today. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing. Want more tips like these? Watch my upcoming series on common mistakes people make while learning English. It'll transform the way you approach learning this language. Until next time, keep thinking in English.